In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy Bolt.New website on Netlify. By the end, you'll have your Bolt.New project live on the web with a smooth manual deployment workflow that's perfect for quick previews or simple static sites. First, head to netlify.com in your browser. This is where we'll do the entire deployment through the interface, no command line required. Before we move forward, make sure you have your Bolt.New project ready as a folder or zipped archive. For the best results with a manual deploy, the folder should contain your built site files, like index.html at the root, along with your assets and any other static files. If your project exports as a zip, that's fine. Netlify accepts both folders and zip archives for manual uploads. Once you're on the Netlify dashboard, look to the top right and open the Add New Project dropdown. This menu is where Netlify groups all the ways you can bring in a site, from connected repositories to quick one-off uploads. From that dropdown, choose Deploy manually. This option is designed for cases exactly like this, when you already have the site files on your computer and just want to publish them without connecting to Git. It's also a great way to sanity check your Bolt.New output before automating anything. You'll land on a page with a clear upload area. Simply drag and drop your Bolt.New project folder or the zipped export into that space. If dragging isn't convenient, use the Browse to upload link and select the folder or zip from your file system. Both methods work the same behind the scenes. If you're deciding between a folder and a zip can be a bit more predictable because it preserves the exact structure during upload. As the upload begins, Netlify will process your files and prepare the site. You'll see progress feedback, and within a short time, the deployment will complete. Netlify automatically hosts the files and gives you a unique site URL right away, which makes sharing or testing incredibly fast. If anything seems off, like missing images or styles, double check that your project's file paths are relative and that index.html sits at the top level of the folder you uploaded. That's it. You went to netlify.com, used the Add New Project dropdown, selected Deploy manually, and uploaded your Bolt.New project by drag and drop or by browsing to upload. This lightweight flow is ideal for quick launches, demos, and prototypes while keeping everything straightforward and reliable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly deployed site.